Teach bilingual words. Chef Croco's secret sound recipes ignite bilingual mastery. 5 charming animals defeat language fears, transforming grudging learners into confident speakers. Spanish, English. Written by Petite Dreamer. Narrated by Jack Nolan. In lush leaf jungle, dawn is magical. Animals wake up and, by the river, Chef Croco, in a chef's hat, sings with them. He goes woof with the dog, cluck with the chicken, and moo with the cow. As he cooks, a breeze tells him of new sounds. En la jungla lush leaf, el alba es mágica. Los animales se despiertan y, junto al río, el chef Croco, con su gorro de cocinero, canta con ellos. Él hace guau con el perro, cloc cloc con la gallina y mu con la vaca. Mientras cocina, una brisa le traía nuevos sonidos.